Hello, and welcome to the HelpWire tutorial series. In this video, we'll review how HelpWire works with remote computers that have more than one monitor connected. As you may already know, HelpWire supports remote desktops with multiple monitors. Once you log into your web portal and open an active client profile, you can immediately see how many displays are connected to their computer. If your client has a single display connected to their device, you will see a single frame icon on the Request Access or Connect button under the Remote Screen section. If there is more than one display connected, you will see multiple stacked frames on the button. Once you establish a connection with a remote computer, you can manage the multi-monitor view in the HelpWire Operator app toolbar. You can choose which display to show in single monitor mode, or select one of the available layouts to view all displays simultaneously in multi-monitor view, either side by side or stacked on top of each other. You can easily switch between display modes and specific displays from the HelpWire Operator app toolbar. Make sure to check out other videos in the HelpWire How-To playlist to dive deeper into product functionality. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful information.